you take anything home from Ethiopia, it shouldn't be pity. It should be positiveness, because no matter what these people go through, they keep smiling. And if you smile at someone who is having a bad day, I can't help really generally but smile back. You might make their day and they might smile at someone else. You wake up, you put the light switch on next to you, and then you go down, you switch the kettle on, and with 5 minutes you've made yourself a cup of tea. And then you go to the shower and you've had instant, beautiful, hot water. And then you go down, you make yourself a nice breakfast with whatever you would like to eat. Maybe get in your nice car with a heater, and you go to work. As you do that, feel very grateful. And remember what a woman has to do to make a cup of coffee here. I get really fed up sometimes with people saying, oh Sue, you try too hard, you can't make a difference. There's millions of people, you can't change the world. There was a wise old man, and he was sat on this cliff top, and he was looking down on a beach. And there was a small little boy. That day the starfish were being washed up on the shore. For about a whole day, and he's picking up the starfish and he's throwing them back in the sea. And this old man watches this little boy and he thinks, what a stupid kid, what the hell is he doing? So he goes down to him and he says, my child, what are you doing? For hours you've been doing this, why? And he says, I'm saving the starfish. They'll dry out, they'll die. They need to be in the water, so I'm saving them. And the old man said, you stupid child, there are so many starfish in the sea, you can't make a difference. And he picks up one starfish, he throws it back in the sea, he says, I just made a difference to that one. If you all make a difference to someone in your life, wouldn't it be a better place, a better world that we lived in? But please do tell people, pray for our Ethiopia, because we don't know the future. But please tell people that Ethiopia is not a land of desert and famine, but is a land of hope with nice people. But I do hope that one day, somewhere in the world, you will hear a little sound of Ethiopian music, or something Ethiopian, and you'll have a tear in your eye. Oh, don't you make me cry. And there'll be a little bit of your heart that took away a bit of Ethiopia with you.
What a baby. Oh, don't you dare make me cry. Oh, you cow.
Quick story. The lady who was serving the food just kept like dropping food everywhere, which was really funny. And then she had like the water over the top of me, and I straight away pictured her dropping it. Like I imagined it getting like my camera, like I fully pictured it, and I already planned like my reaction. I was gonna be really nice about it, and then it actually happened. So I'm a little bit wet. Didn't get my camera too much, but it was so funny because it's very rare that you imagine scenarios and it plays out like a second later. So that was very funny. By the way, we're flying to Uganda right now. We're in Uganda! New country! Exciting! Woo!
Oh, that's great.
Yay!
Oh, a real deep tea.
There's a new movie coming in March.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
sure. Yeah.
So I hear they've finished filming. Did they film here?
Sorry?
Did they film the movie here?
Oh, yes.
The new one?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, cool.
That's cool.
So this
So
town, this is in Teddy.
So
This is
great.
out
Tebe town now. Yeah.
Let's check this out. Oh my god. Look at our romantic getaway. This is like as big as like the chilling out area. Oh my god, the shower. Oh.
We gotta have one.
Yes.
Let's get up early.
Yeah, we could have
Tonight
two.
And have one.
Nice. We have a mirror as well. Yeah.
Oh.
Mum just said so. She's talking again. Mum doesn't approve of me being a YouTuber.
No, I can know what it was.
Clickbait title. We're meant to be leaving at 7. Maybe we're leaving at 7:30 now. And we're driving to a lodge in... Where are we going, Deb?
The Ruwenzori Mountains.
The Ruwenzori Mountains.
Also known as the Mountains of the Moon.
Also known as the Mountains of the Moon. And we're going to be there for a few days. So we're getting our last Facebook fix and Instagram and social media fix. And it's actually New Year's Eve tonight, which is exciting.
funny the English thing. Like, you've got all this local stuff and then you've got mashed potato and pumpkin.
We're just stopping for lunch now, and there was a buffet, and thankfully all of the vegetable stuff, all the vegetarian stuff was in the same section, and then the meat was separate. That's how all buffets should be. We're very close to New Year's in Melbourne.
Looks like Timor, doesn't it? It's New Year in Australia in 1 minute. In 1 minute? In 1 minute. Oh, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Look how beautiful this is. Cheers! Check out this room. Look at our bed. How cool is this? And then when you come in here, look, toilet. Look at that shower. There's even a laundry rack. Look how cute this area is. You can have mum and dad come sleep over. It's so pretty out here. So nice. I was trying to get service to phone the island's mum. Really in the middle of nowhere. Didn't have a clue that there were leopards. I can't get over how orange this mud is for this rainfall. Still on our mission to try to find signal. We're struggling.
Yeah, no, it's really beautiful. Happy New Year!
Love you too.
Love you, bye! Did you hear them?
How did you walk in there?
I didn't step on the thing a bit wet. But thank God you pushed me. Because otherwise I'd have gone down.
That makes no sense.
What? No, you didn't video.
Have an owl soup. Got a couple of beers for New Year's. I'm so close to finishing this book. Look. So close. This is our chill New Year's. Me and Island are having a very wild New Year's party. We're reading books. She's starting the Rosie Project and I'm finishing the Rosie Effect. And we're going to have sheet masks because I still have the same ones that I bought in Japan, which is crazy. And I don't even know if we'll be able to stay up till midnight because we're really tired, but we might set an alarm or something. But that's our wild girls' night in. Oh, you look actually so scary.
Just because it keeps peeling off.
You keep looking It literally seems like we're drunk and we've had just like half a glass of beer. 9:21 past 9. What do they say? That's so weird. Somehow my alarm has been on for 10 minutes and we didn't even know. It's really weird, but Happy New Year. We're going back to sleep. I finished my book like 2 hours before I went to bed as well. It was so good.